Hello, Dr. Vikram.
Hello.
Today we welcome you to this beautiful place in Greece.
Thank you.
It is a beautiful beach side,
Yeah.
and I would like to know something about Ayurvedic herbs.
Yeah. I was walking through this beach in the morning today, so I saw this beautiful herb growing here. It is called Tribulus terrestris in Latin. So Tribulus is a very wonderful herb. It grows as a weed. People they know it like a very disturbing weed. It grows everywhere in the world, in America, in Australia, in South India, in Southern Europe. So it can grow in different parts of the world and it is very beautiful. I want to show it to you. You please come here. Uh, Here it is growing. Yes. Yeah. See, this is the stem of. This is a plant called Tribulus power. Tribulus terrestris. This is a plant. You see, this is plant belonging to Zygophalaceae family. Zygophalaceae, the root system is a tap root. Inside you see there is a tap root, and all the stems are coming out of the tap root, and that is why these are able to grow in many different parts of the world. These,
Okay.
so you see this is a, if I pluck this stem, one stem out of the plant, I will show you the leaves. They are all, this is a compound leaf with hairy, all the leaves are hairy leaves, and the stem is also hairy. So you can recognize by hairy leaves, compound opposite leaves, and from the base of the leaf there is flower, and the flowers are yellow in color and they become fruit like this. This
This
is
is
also called
very thorny.
thorny, and
Yeah.
this is called like a caltrops.
Okay.
Caltrop is actually a weapon, like three big thorns, and it is called water caltrops also, and Tribulus terrestris is the Latin name. It is also called cat's head. It is also called bull's head, devil's eyelash, and goat's head because of the. And in Ayurveda, it is called gokshura because in cows' hooves it is going inside, and it is also called puncture vine because it can puncture the bicycles and it can penetrate the uh, legs. It can cause wounds. So in
Okay.
some defense times, such caltrops they were used to to protect against some attacks. They were made up of irons like this, and this is a fruit, and there inside there is seed. In different countries they are using the alternatives because this is a smaller plant, smaller fruit, and there are bigger fruits. That is another plant that is called Pedalum murex, and people they mix Pedalum murex in this Tribulus terrestris because it is not that common, and Pedalum murex is too much in quantity, so they mix to make to it's like adulteration. They use it like as an adulterant, Pedalum murex. That is little bigger. The, the, the fruits are bigger in that species. So I'm going to I'm going to pluck this plant so that we go to some shady place because it is very hot here. Okay, here you see that this is a taproot system. The stems, see the taproot, just like carrots and just like radish. Okay, we
Yes.
go to some shady place and then we
Okay.
come. Okay, so I was telling you about this taproot system. See the small rootlets, they are going deep into the soil and they collect the water and give nourishment to this tree, this plant. Oops. So and now you have seen this is wonderful plant, and it is very useful in Ayurveda. The fruits are mainly used for promoting the testosterone levels in males. It is known to have possess protodiocin, protodiazine is converted into dihydrotestosterone in the body, and there are many laboratories which have made sure that there is a proper content. This is a saponin in the, so those saponins are there in this plant, and which are very useful for the overall health. And this is also useful in kid. Yeah. So this is not only useful as a male sex health tonic, it is also good for overall muscle building. People all over Europe, all over India, all over America, they are using to build muscles because of the testosterone levels present in this plant. And extract is made, and it should be made sure that there is standardized at least 40% saponins present in the extract, and it should not be mixed with pedalium murex, as I told you. And it is used as a diuretic, it is used as a support to the kidneys, it is used full for liver also, to take out excess water from the body, and also promote strength and stamina. In Chinese medicine it is called Sha Zhuan Zi. It is replaced with Sha Zhuan Zi. There is a herb called Bai Ji Li. It is called Bai Ji Li in Chinese medicine. Bai Ji Li is this plant, but it is usually they are mixing with Sha Zhuan Zi. So Sha Zhuan Zi is a similar plant like Pedalium murex. So it should be made sure. So it is best advised that a reputed company or a supplier which is having very good knowledge of this herb you should use the products from.
And can tribulus be used by ladies as well?
It can be used depending upon different conditions. If there is there are some kidney problems, if there is some weakness, general weakness, and kidney problems, and urinary problems, urinary infections, ladies can also use it, because it is not like too much testosterone. It is natural precursor containing saponins and protodiazine. If it goes into a female body, that will get neutralized, so it will not affect her, like it will not get converted into testosterone in females. So
Okay.
they can neutralize it with estrogen and other hormones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dr. Vikram. Thank you
very
for
much.
this good
I hope it is
information.
very useful information for the viewers.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Vikram.
Thank you.